elevated across portions of East Maui and peaks of Kaupo. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, emergency management. Impact, flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kipahulu, Kaupo, Nahiku, Ke'anai, Kula, Keokea, Makawao, Hana, Huelo, Haikupe'uvela, Haleakala National Park, Wailua, Karilua and Hamoa. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.